Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars. Let me see what life is like on Jupiter and Mars.
God knows how delighted I am to have a cousin like you. If I were to choose something in exchange for this kind of bond, kahit iOS or makeup man yan, hindi kita kayang ipagpalit because you treated me like your own sister.
Alam kong hindi ako naging good friend minsan, pero bumabawi din naman and na-open ko din, pero ayun po. Yun lang. Love you, happy birthday!
Ito, hindi ko malilimutan. Tinusok niya ako ng lapis sa mukha. Yan, may mark pa yan dito sa mukha, kaya hindi ko talaga malilimutan yon. Gusto ko sa'yo, like ka ng smile, like kang masaya. And, ayun lang. Happy 18th birthday!
Again. Memories from someone.
Kasi po, totoo po yun, maldita po talaga si Kisha nung bata siya. Super proud ako na kinakaya mo everyday, na you choose to fight everyday. Kahit na syempre may mga struggles tayo
And lagi mo kaming malalapitan anytime, anywhere. Kaya happy birthday to you and I hope you enjoy.
Smile na mahal ka namin and happy birthday and cheers to more years with you.
Light at tanglaw para matagpuan parati yung tamang landas towards your fulfillment of your dreams. Na sana lagi kang nasa tamang landas, hindi ka maliligaw na eto na yung kandila, eto na yung magiging guiding light.
And when the night is finally done, I know the best is yet to come. I lift my head up to the rising sun.
So, we pray with you na you will grow into an amazing woman that you're destined to be. So, ayun, similar to other titas and titas na dito lang kami na really proud.
And ano lang, sana isentro mo lang si God para yung mga dreams mo sa buhay ay makaganap.
Alam mo ba, magugustuhan mo to. Kasi yung mga araw kang hindi kumain para mabili ko lang to. Alam mo yun?
Huwag mong kalimutang mahalin, sundin ang iyong mga magulang. Kasi hindi ka malalayo kapag nandyan ka magmamahal sa parents mo.
Good health always. Make your parents proud always. And napili ko tong gift na to kasi gusto ko rin mahimping ang tulog ko.
Start again, I can start
Patuloy ang pag-aaral mo at mabait na bata. Thank you.
Always ask the Lord for all the guidance and whatever decisions in your life. Don't forget to ask God first.
Itong bibigay ko sa'yo, ito yung nakaraang araw na pag hinihingi sa akin. Napanggalan yung tatlo.
Dahil birthday mo, deserve mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Ikaw na bahala mag-check out. Happy birthday!
2 years from now, hindi na ating tatawag ko sa'yo, kundi, Doktora! Doktora Kisha Altea. So, ayun, happy birthday ulit.